Kabbalah is not mysticism. You may have heard that it is, read that it is. It's not mysticism. It's not religion. It's certainly not magic. It's the science of the soul. It's a method for revealing the Creator to you, to the created being, through your inner transformation. And it answers the deepest questions that a person has. Who am I? Why am I here? What is it that governs my life and gives it its direction? There are moments that happen to us in our societies, in our civilization, that shake us up. The world feels like it's cracking open. Maybe it's too violent, too divided, or too full of grief. And all of that can happen suddenly, or it can unfold slowly. And one day we find ourselves asking, what happened to us? How did we get here? But these things aren't just political crises or social breakdown. There's something much more personal and much more vast than that. They leave us with a kind of a helplessness and a need, and it builds a growing question. An absolute necessity for an answer forms in us. Is there a deeper meaning and process behind everything that's happening? Now, that's exactly what Kabbalah is about. It doesn't take sides. It doesn't deal with headlines. It doesn't deal with opinions. It speaks to the thing that's beneath that or above that, the spiritual root of the reality that we're in, and the processes that are always there, that are guiding us from our appearance, our creation, to its fulfillment. The spiritual root inside of us asks, why is the world like this? What is its purpose, and what's the purpose of suffering? And can anything help us with this pain and confusion? Yes. This method of revealing the Creator to the created being through inner transformation is what our world is about, what the purpose of our life is. And it's something close to us and something that can be revealed in a method that's already inborn in nature. And Kabbalah is the revelation of that process in the heart and in the nature that surrounds us, that allows us to fulfill that purpose of our lives.